In this video we have Samsung J6 Plus not working with black screen. The phone is working. I can hear voice. The device can call when I call it. But there is no screen. You will hear the charging. This is the sound of the charging. The phone is working. But there is no sign of the screen is broken or not. I'm going to do something first. Before opening the device, I'm going to press the power button and the volume down for a few seconds until the phone vibrates. After that, when you hear the vibration, you can press the volume down again once. This will close the downloading mode. What we did is to enter the download mode. If the phone is working and the screen is working, the phone will restart and work again. If it's not, I'm going to open it. As you see, the phone doesn't boot up and the screen doesn't boot up, so we have problem on the device. I'm going to open it to see whatever causing this problem. To open this device, we need to heat the screen at 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds. If this is the first time you open this device, you need to be very careful with the screen. The screen could be damaged during the operation. We need to be very focused not to damage the screen because the screen could be working. Use the suction cup to start pull up the screen. As I told you, we don't need to make any damage to the screen. It could be working, so patient and focus on the operation. Remember, on this device the screen flex cable is at the bottom of the device. It's not with the top of the device. So the flex cable is at the bottom, is to the right side. So don't push the plastic piece inside to that position, otherwise the screen can be damaged easily. You can keep heating to make the job easier for you. This phone has been opened before, that's why I didn't need too much heat and I didn't need too much time to open it. Don't go to the way down. Don't go too much that down. Just watch me while you are doing this. It's very, very important. We almost removed the screen. I'm going to remove the black shield. First, I'm going to check if the screen is unplugged or not. Sometimes when the phone falls down, the screen could be unplugged
from screen connector.
Seems the screen not plugged. I just plugged it down. Now I'm going to power on the device. The device may not power on because it's still working. You need to do the method again. Volume down with the power. When it's vibrate, you need to press the volume down. This will cancel the download mode and the device should start working again. Yes, it has been working again. The problem has been figured out. The screen wasn't plugged into the connector, that's why the screen wasn't working. The problem has been solved. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.